Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with keyboard is typing incorrectly or wrong letters in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type device manager. Open the device manager guys. Select the expand the keyboard section and right click on this keyboard and select update driver. Select auto search automatically for drivers, and you just need to get the message guys. The best drivers for your device are already installed, and select the search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Select it. If you have anything listed over here, you just need to update it guys. Click on check for updates. You just need to get a message you are up to date in here guys with the green tick mark. And after having anything listed, update and download, you just need to update it guys, and hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. But you can also try the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting. Open it guys. Select the other troubleshooters and scroll down and select the keyboard troubleshoot to run guys. Detecting problems. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problems guys, and close the troubleshooters. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.